Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode where I dive into the latest breakthroughs in quantum computing.
Today we're talking about a game-changer, femtosecond lasers.
These tiny bursts of light are transforming the quantum world.
Let's get right into it.
Quantum computing has always been full of potential but also riddled with challenges. One of the biggest hurdles? Controlling quantum bits, or qubits, without errors. Enter femtosecond lasers.
These lasers emit pulses that last only a quadrillionth of a second, offering precision like never before.
That's right. Traditional methods often struggle with decoherence and errors, but femtosecond lasers provide a solution.
By precisely controlling qubits, they're reducing errors and increasing stability in quantum computations. This is a massive leap forward in the field.
And the benefits don't stop there. Femtosecond lasers enhance the overall efficiency and scalability of quantum computers.
Imagine performing complex calculations at unimaginable speeds, faster than classical computers could ever dream of. This innovation is pivotal for practical applications, from cryptography to material science.
Researchers and engineers are leveraging these lasers to create more robust quantum systems. With better control over qubits, femtosecond lasers are facilitating the development of scalable and efficient quantum processors.
This means more reliable and faster quantum computers are on the horizon.
And it's not just about speed.
It's about the potential to transform entire industries.
As research and development continue, we can expect breakthroughs that redefine what's possible in computing.
The future looks incredibly promising with femtosecond lasers leading the charge. Stay tuned, everyone. Femtosecond lasers are spearheading the quantum computing revolution, and we're just at the beginning. The potential for unparalleled computational power and technological advancement is immense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in quantum computing. See you next time.